Hi everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Thank you so much for watching. Today I want to show you how to make a folding watercolor booklet. So let's get started. Alright, so here are the supplies that you'll need to do this project. You will need 5 index cards. You will need about 2 feet of string or yarn. You will need some tape. You can use just regular like Scotch tape, or if you have some washi tape that's the kind of colored and fun, that also works well. You'll need a pencil that's sharpened. You will also need some watercolor paints, and to go along with that, of course, you'll need the water for your watercoloring. Just have a rag on hand just in case something spills, and then I recommend maybe a tablecloth to do your art project on, okay? All right, so the first step with your project is to line up all of your index cards, and then you're going to tape after every 2. So we go 1, 2, and then we'll tape the gap here, and then 1, 2, and we'll tape the gap. So here we go. 1, 2, line it up, and then we tape. 1, 2, line this up. And then we tape. Okay, so now we're gonna flip it over. And of course, some of these aren't taped together, but we will get that. So we're gonna turn it over. And then you'll notice that the gap is after the 2 cards. So 1, 2, we're gonna tape again. Okay, and then we'll get this final one here. All right, so now we are able to fold our cards together and unfold them as well. So we want to make sure that that works well, kind of like an accordion, like that musical instrument. You can fold it in and out. Excellent, it's working very well now. Okay, so now we are ready for the creative part of our project. We can write, or we can draw, or we can do all kinds of just painting if we want. So for mine, I think I'm just gonna do like some doodling. But if you wanted to do sort of like maybe kind of a comic book where each one of these is like a panel, you could do a little story. You could do like the first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Or you could do maybe 2 panels where you write and then pictures and then end. So it's kind of up to you. But you can also do not only the front, but on the back of your folding booklet, you could do something as well. I'm just gonna do some doodling just for speed here. So now I'm gonna start painting. And of course you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do maybe just some like bright colors because I really enjoy that. Let's see, I'm gonna start with red. That's a pretty bright, bold color. But like I said, you could do whatever you want. It's up to you. This is your booklet. And you could do, some mixing of colors. I think I'm gonna mix the red with some orange, kind of get like a red-orange. All right. So just have fun and be creative with your booklet. Okay, so once your folding watercolor booklet is all dry on both sides, then you will go ahead, if you would like, you can tie it up. And then it's like a nice little booklet that you can have. And you can maybe even give to somebody as a gift if you are interested in doing that as well. So I just tie it in a nice little bow, and then it's all set to go. All right, we'll have so much fun making your folding watercolor booklet. We do have some great books that you can check out at all of our Mesa County libraries if you're interested in learning more about watercolors. Also, there's a really fun video on Canopy Kids that teaches you how watercolor paints are created. So you can check that out. All you need is your library card, and then you can make an account, and then you can watch what's called watercolor paints. It's about 5 minutes long, and it's pretty interesting. Okay, well, have so much fun, and we'll see you next time.